In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the dictionary exercises. So this is dictionary exercise number 1. We start off with a dictionary, which is indicated by the curly brackets or the braces, whatever you want to call them. And a dictionary is pairs. It is, sometimes it's called a map in other languages, but it is a key. The key for the first item is gold, and its value is 500. The key for the second item is pouch, and its data item is a list of 3 strings. The third item in the dictionary, its key is backpack, and the data item for it is a list with 4 things that I assume are in somebody's backpack. So first thing we want to do is we want to add a new element to the dictionary. It's real easy to do. You just give the name of the dictionary. You make up the new key, as long as it's a new key that isn't already there. And then you just say what you want to put in that location in the dictionary. When I print inventory out now, I should get not only these 3 things, but I should also get this 4th entry now for pocket. Then this one says go to inventory and get the backpack item. Okay, well the backpack item is this, okay? And that's a list. It's not dictionary, it's in a dictionary, but it's a list that is a value item where the key is backpack. And lists have a sort method, so we can sort the data. And then we're going to print it out. So the backpack's item should be in alphabetical order. So it should be bedroll, bread loaf, dagger, and xylophone. Then we get to, we want to remove the dagger from the backpack item. So inventory sub backpack will get me this. And that's a list, and I can use the remove method of the list and tell it I want to remove dagger. So I'll just have xylophone, bedroll, and bread loaf in there after that, although they will probably be in alphabetical order because we sorted it. And then the last thing is add 50 to gold. So the gold item is inventory sub gold, and then I just do plus equals 50, and when I print out what's there, I should get the number 550. Okay. Now, when I pause the mouse over these, you may have noticed it comes up and says attribute undefined. And I think the problem here is it doesn't know that this is a list. So we're going to trick it here. And actually, if I run this and I print the inventory, here's the output. So here is the inventory, and it's comma separated. So I've got a key and a value. I've got a key and a value. I've got a key and a value. And this is printed after I added pocket. So over here, if I scroll, I'm going to get pocket and its value, which is those 3 items that I added in the list up here. Okay. Then I sort it. Okay, and it did sort the backpack item, which is these 4 things in the list here. But I'm getting this error message here. And the reason for that is that Python sometimes has trouble figuring out what type of data it is that you're referring to. And I want it to know that this is a list, and I can force it to think that this is a list by just doing that. And you see now that yellow line goes away. However, if I run it now, it will not sort the list, because what this does right here is it takes my inventory backpack item, which is this list right here, and it creates a copy of it. That's what the list function does. Creates a copy of it that is a list. And it sorts the copy, and then when it gets done, just throws that away. So the original is unchanged. But if I want a list, if I know that this is going to be a list, and I want to hit the period key and have all of my options come up, watch what happens when I hit the period key here. Now I get all of the options for a list, including sort. That's a way to do it. But when you get done, you got to make sure you get rid of that again. So now, yeah, the yellow line comes back. Down here with dagger, it's the same thing. If I just type the period here, I don't get the right stuff because it thinks it's a number for some reason. So I don't get the right stuff. And if I want to get the right stuff, so I don't have to go look up, well, what are all the methods for a list? I can just do the same thing here, do list. And when I hit dot, remove comes up. And so I know I can remove something from it. Let's fix this. But again, it's just going to do a copy, and nothing will change. So this is obviously working the way it's supposed to. And I think we'll stop there, and we'll do dictionary exercise number 2 in a separate video.